critical audience here, please. Okay, the last discipline we do is the typewriter. We'll need 6 actors.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 13.
Okay, I would need, let's say, what's the most exciting book you read?
50 Shades of Grey.
It's not exciting.
It is for me.
So, exciting book you read.
Encyclopedia.
A book with a story. It isn't 50 Shades of Grey.
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings, okay. Okay?
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings is your input. We will need the Tolkien guy who will be the typewriter. Okay. So, discipline typewriter, input Lord of the Rings. 3, 2, 1.
Impro.
One day, when he least expected, Bilbo received an unexpected guest. He was just finishing his book, but then he heard knocking on the door. Oh, Bilbo! Bilbo!
Oh, Bilbo! Bilbo!
Come in. I'm just finishing my book.
What are you writing about?
What?
What are you writing about?
My story. I
Oh,
went to the faraway land into the Mordor to find some different creatures, and I just got married there. I had a ring.
can I get some chicks there too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Maybe you need one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm totally into chicks.
Okay. Can you serve me something to drink and to focus to finish this very important chapter?
Sorry.
Bilbo didn't expect this from his guest. He was frustrated, but at the same time a little bit drunk because he started early in the morning. So he reacted how he was supposed to.
I'm so sorry. I'm so terribly sorry. I didn't mean to ruin your book. Are you okay? Oh,
Gandalf!
yes.
It's you!
Yes. It's me. You shall not.
Okay! Frodo! Frodo, are you, my nephew?
Immediately, jumping from the bushes appeared his nephew, Frodo, who had just had amazing adventures with his friend Sam inside the bushes.
You're just back from the bushes.
You look really happy, guys. Yeah. I remember once I went in the bushes with a small fellow. I had a lot of fun, so. Do you want me to tell that story? Yes.
Yes.
Come on, sit.
Shall we sit with you here?
Yes.
Bilbo suddenly remembered this very peculiar story with this female dwarf a couple of years back. And he decided to share it in a very polite way, considering his nephews were underaged.
When you meet love, sometimes you don't feel like you're sized enough to be aware of what you found. And then I met Dwarlina. She was a small woman. We were in the bushes like this, and she was so small I couldn't find her. First of all, I thought it was a dog. And I started to pet her.
Bilbo reached the part when he was touching the beard of the female dwarf. He decided to stop and change the subject suddenly.
And that's how it ended.
So the bushes.
Yes.
No.
Frodo, Sam, I want you to go in big adventures like me. But first you need to learn how to write.
With a pen and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want a line of A. A is going like this. A. No, that's a V. A.
A.
A, yes. No, Sam, listen to Sam. A, like an apple. Yeah, okay. B.
The Elvish potion that Bilbo drank since early morning was started to kick in. So he stopped making any sense. Getting sick of his nonsense, his nephews decided to react and ask him a question.
Vito,
Yes.
where did you find the ring?
Yes.
Duelina. It was not a ring, it was not a magic ring, it was my wedding ring with her. And she left me.
Shall we destroy it?
Yes. Find Duelina and destroy her.
Not the ring.
Her. Destroy her.
With the-
Bring it through the beard into the volcano. Please.
Okay.
Taking seriously the words of their wise uncle, they decided to go on an adventure to find this female dwarf and to fulfill the legacy of their beloved uncle.
I think she might be in the bushes.
We should find it.
I see a long beard starting here.
It's a big smell.
Look, it's so long. She's quite old by now. Pull.
Yeah.
The unknown creature was looking at them with surprise. They weren't sure if this is a dwarf or golem or probably some lost troll.
Whatever you are, we need to kill you.
Decided some.
Let's first make sure it's she. Where did you meet your husband?
What should I tell you? No. That's a secret. It was in the bushes.
In the bush?
That must be it.
They decided not to risk their elvish swords. After they moved her, of course.
So we just need to get one of these eagles, catch her, and drop her into the.
Amazing idea, thought Frodo. So they started doing what the old Gandalf had taught them in the past, and started like catching random butterflies in order to signal the eagles.
Shall we really do this?
Fortunately, it didn't work exactly in the tails, but one lost butterfly believed them and called the eagles.
Wow, you're gonna help us. Okay. Wow.
They caught the creature and started flying to the volcano.
What?
Let's take her on the button.
Let's tie her with her beard.
Yes.
That should do. You want me to go straight into the volcano?
Straight into the volcano.
Yes.
You're gonna pay your back insurance.
Okay. Here we go. 1, 2,